Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to enable or disable document downloads in PandaDoc. All right. So first up, you got to open up a document. Go ahead over to the left panel and click on Documents. And here, open up a document that you want to do. Toggle the document download permission. Okay, for example, this one right here. Just going to click on it, wait for it to load. And once it loads, go ahead over to the top right. And this panel, okay, just go ahead and find the Manage Recipient section right here. Just click on it. Now, in the right panel, just go ahead and scroll down and find Download. Okay. Now, if this one is enabled or set to green, that means that anyone that got access to this document can download it. Okay. It can be right here at the top or by clicking on the three dots right here and hit on Download. Now, if you disable this one, when you click on this slider, okay, it will be grayed out. That means the recipients of this document won't be able to download it right here at the top or at the top right. That is it. That's how easy it is to enable or disable the document downloads in PandaDoc. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.